Hello, teacher.
Hello. Hello too. Wait for a while. Happy New Year 2026. Happy New Year too.
Happy New Year, teacher.
Happy New Year. Hold on. Wait, I'm going to ask you a question. Going to translate it. Did you celebrate the New Year's Eve?
Bạn có đón giao thừa không?
Mm,
Did you? Did you celebrate it?
no, I only celebrate New Year every three years and Lunar New Year.
This one.
À, bạn chỉ có Tết Nguyên đán thôi à?
The Tet, the lunar.
Mm,
Yeah, Tet holiday, lunar New Year. Ah, okay. I see, honey.
Năm âm lịch,
Yeah. Ah, no, no, no. No. What is this? Year.
năm mới,
Năm mới. Lunar New Year, right? Yeah. I see, honey. Well, me, I celebrated the New Year with my family because this New Year is very important in the Philippines.
tôi đã đón năm mới cùng gia đình vì năm mới này rất quan trọng ở Philippines.
Yeah. We don't have
yeah.
Lunar New Year. We only have January 1 New Year.
Chúng tôi không có Tết Nguyên đán, chúng tôi chỉ có Tết vào ngày 1 tháng Giêng.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Okay. So yeah, anyway, honey, what you had a holiday last Saturday, right?
Bạn được nghỉ lễ vào thứ Bảy tuần trước phải không?
Yes.
Yes. It's okay, honey. Anyway, are you ready for our class now too? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Very good. Okay. So last time, okay, we are now going to answer this part 2. But before that, let's have this. Okay. What is this one, honey? When I grow up, I want to be an R.
Um,
Do you remember this job? Archie. Do you remember Do you remember this? The architect. Architect.
okay.
Yes. Okay. Do you know architect, honey? Architect is
Kiến trúc sư,
Kiến trúc sư. Yeah, that's the
Yes.
Yes, the architect. Okay, how about this? What is this job? What is this? 2.
This is teacher.
Yeah, he is a teacher. Okay, so let's have the first one, honey. You say, Okay? You say, I want to be an architect. Can you say that? I want to be an architect.
I want to be an architect.
Yeah. Or when I grow up,
When
when
I grow up,
I
I
want to be
want to be
an architect.
an architect.
Very good. And then this one, when I grow up,
When I grow up, I want to be an architect.
this one, a teacher. A teacher.
A teacher.
One more time. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher. Again.
I want to be a teacher.
Honey, when I grow up. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher. Okay, again.
When I grow up, I want to be a teacher.
Very good. Okay, so let's have page 13, honey. Okay, you're going to have this. You're going to write your answer. Okay, you're going to find the words and then write the answers in the blank.
Okay.
Okay.
Teacher.
Teacher. Where is it? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6?
Building.
Okay. Are you done? 1, 2. You still have 3 to find. 3. Go, go, go. You can find it.
Teacher.
You can't? You can't.
Can give me some suggestion.
Uh-huh. Ca-
Suggestion.
Translation? Oh, okay. Let's have number 2. For number 2, Bin is good at. Okay. 2. Okay. Is good at. This will be for number 2. Okay. Ah, is it? 2 and then 3. Ava wants to design. This will be for number 3. And then next. Grows up. Okay, this is 4. 4. Ikaw will help me. So 8, 5. I will build schools and number 5. And 6. Bin the teach children about here. Done.
This um, class. Nếu dạy học sinh về cách dạy graphic. Graph. Real. Oh. Um. Yeah. The
Can you do it?
can write.
You can't write? Okay. So here, Ben is good at 2. Are you still there?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Number 2, honey. Ben is good at
Geography.
Yes, Ben is good at geography. Okay, 2. We have here, please read number 3.
Ava
Ava,
went to design buildings.
very good. Ava wants to design buildings. 4. Read number
Bing
4, honey.
went to a
Hun-
teacher when he
Em yêu em đang lạnh cóng.
grows up.
Honey, you are freezing, honey. Can you try to speak
Bing
too?
went to be a teacher.
Okay. Just try to move. Okay, that's it. Let's have number 5.
Number 5. Oh, okay.
Ava will
Ava will have built school and hospitals.
Very good. Okay. 6.
Bing will teach children
Teach.
about different countries.
Yes, countries. Okay. So let's have
Countries.
this one, honey. Please read this one.
Hi, Ava. When I grow up, I want to be an
Architect.
architect and design buildings. I am very good at drawing, and one day I will have built schools and hospitals for the people in my city. It's my dream.
Dream. It's my dream. Okay. Next one. 2. Oh. For what? Wait. Okay. Okay, the next one. Let's have. Okay.
Hello, I am Bing. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher, teacher like my mother.
I'm good at.
I'm good at geography, and one day I will teach children about different countries in the world.
Very good. 4.
I want to be.
Okay, next one.
Hi, I am Eva. When I grow up, I want to be an architect and design buildings. I am very good at drawing, And one day I will have build schools and hospitals for the people in my city. It's my dream.
Honey, this one, honey, is not dream. This one is dream. Dream.
Dream.
Yes.
Dream.
Okay. How about you, honey? What do you want to be when you grow up? Okay, again. What do you want to be when you grow up?
Bạn muốn trở thành gì khi lớn lên?
What do you want to be when you grow up?
You.
Bạn muốn trở thành gì khi lớn lên?
I want I want a teacher.
Ah, you say, when I grow up, you say, honey.
When I grow up, I want to be a teacher.
Yes, I want to be a teacher. Okay, that is it. Again, one more time, honey. When I grow up,
When I grow up, I want to be a teacher.
very good. That is it. Next one. Next one here.
What will you do?
What will you do as a teacher?
Bạn sẽ làm gì với tư cách là một giáo viên?
I will teach the students.
Very good. Again, one more time. I will teach the students.
I will teach the students.
Very good. Okay, let's have this one, honey. You have to read and then complete.
Hello, I am Kim. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor. I am good at science, and one day I will help state people around the world.
Very good.
It's my dream.
Okay, next, honey. What does Ava want when she grows up? What does Ava want to be?
When she grew up, she went to be a architect.
Architect. Again, one more time. Yeah, she wants to be an architect.
She wants to be an architect.
Very good. Okay, 2. Why does she want to be an architect?
Because she...
Honey, the time is already over. It's already 30 minutes. It's already 30 minutes, honey. So Teacher Shane has to go now. Okay, thank you so much, my dear, for your time. And we're going to meet again next week, okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, my dear, too.
Bye-bye, teacher.